Hello everyone, I am Prachi Bansal. Currently, I am pursuing my postgraduate diploma in Industrial Management from National Institute of Industrial Engineering, Mumbai. It is one of the most coveted B school in India. I have recently completed my engineering in electronics and telecommunication from SGSITIS Indore. This is a great learning experience for me as I get practical knowledge while interacting with people from different domains, teachers with huge experience, and working on different projects and case studies. This reminds me of Navring Cube concept, which we learned in POM. POM is Principles of Organizational Management. The subject is taken by D. Prasad, also known as Dr. Mandi in NITI. If people with different skills are put in a team, more better end results can be obtained. For me, pursuing an MBA was always a dream because I have seen rapid growth of economy, spurt of entrepreneurial activities, growing number of malls and mega stores, and tremendous growth in businesses around me. Even at home, I have seen my father toiling hard for the success of his business. All this made me curious to understand and know how businesses learn and function. Well, since I am a fresher, I do not have a tangible experience to show, but during my engineering, I have undertaken industrial training in Embedded System 8051. During this, I developed pragmatic solution for automatic controlling of household devices through mobile phones. In the process, we reduced the cost of the system by 10%. While designing the system, we kept into mind that the system should be compact, secure, and easy to use. In our system, all the household devices can be operated even when you are not at home just by using your mobile phones. My major project was real-time implementation of the model of intelligent traffic signal for smooth controlling of traffic movements, where we mainly worked on niche concepts of RFID technology to reduce the delay in treatment of patients due to heavy traffic. While working in group, we all aligned our efforts to the common objective of the project, that is reducing delay. It was practical application of magnet which Dr. Mandi taught in class. We extended the service offerings in the traffic system by adding new features like wireless communication and LCD. This was like striving for excellence, as is also taught by Dr. Mandi in Pygmalion effect. Excellence is product of efficiency and effectiveness. Well, I have always given education its right due and I have been a bright student academically. I was in top 0.1% in state entrance exam and top 1% in CAT. This goes on to show that I am dedicated and responsible. I have proactively organized and participated in various sports and cultural events in the college, and in the process I have got a fair idea of group dynamics and team play. I was a part of core committee of annual cultural and technical fest of my college, where I led 12-member team of sponsorship and marketing. I have worked as a student volunteer for NGOs and towards education of underprivileged children. These experiences gave me exposure, improved my interpersonal skills, and made me better and confident person. As a fresher, I bring fresh ideas, willingness to learn and gather knowledge, willingness to work and prove my competence whenever opportunity comes. I do not have any perceptions, and so I can take whatever project comes my way without a second thought. I would like to work in FMCG firms like HUL, P&G, Nestle, Johnson and Johnson because I have been using their products from childhood and I have an emotional connect with them. Apart from this, I have a strong desire to provide integrated solution to complex and managerial issues in these firms and in the process hone my decision making and problem solving skills. I am a proactive, perseverant and committed person. I am a team player. I can adjust with different people without much difficulty. I am open to new ideas. I enjoy learning new things. I like interacting with people. I do not know if these differentiates me and make me unique, but these qualities definitely define me. Hope this gives a fair idea of what I am. Thank you for your patient listening.